Roshni Dhar. Welcome to Medical Dialogues, daily dose of health and medical news. Let's look at today's top headlines. Union Health Minister steps in to probe rupees 1.8 crore COVID bill veed by Max Hospital Saket. AIIMS Delhi released date sheet for final MBBS professional examination December 2021. CDSCO panel emergency use not to Covaxin for children aged 2 to 18 years. World's first rapid test kit for silicosis developed in Mumbai lab. AIIMS Deoghar releases vacancies for junior resident post. Dr. Randeep Guleria, director of AIIMS, received Lal Bahadur Shastri Award for Excellence. Union Health Minister Mansukh Manvedya on Monday said that he will look into the matter on how a hospital charged rupees 1.8 crore from a patient. The matter came to the light after Malviya Nagar MLA Somnath Bharti lashed out at Max Hospital Saket for allegedly charging rupees 1.8 crore for COVID treatment of a man who was admitted in April end and discharged earlier last month. In a written reply to Congress MP Manish Tiwari, Manvedya said, "I am having the matter looked into and shall revert soon." Prior to this, in a letter to the Health Minister, MP Manish Tiwari had written, "I would urge you to immediately call for an explanation as to why and how did the hospital charge such an exorbitant sum of money from a patient irrespective of how unwell he or she might be." Manish Tiwari also asked the Health Minister to bring a bill in Parliament in order to set up independent regulator whose remit would go across the public-private health sector and also take the pharmaceutical space within its purview. Replying to the letter, the Health Minister said that he will revert soon on both matters. Sharing the letter from the Union Health Minister, Congress MP Manish Tiwari tweeted, "Health Minister letter promising to look into the 1.8 crore bill charged from a patient by Max Hospital Saket. I request Bharti to please ask Chief Minister NCT Delhi to do the same as health is a state subject." However, according to some reports, the hospital clarified that the patient was diabetic, hypertensive and developed multiple complications leading to liver dysfunction and sepsis. The patient remained hospitalized for almost 4.5 months and was discharged on September 6th. Date sheet for final MBBS professional examination has been released by AIIMS Delhi. Examinations to be held in December 21, Jan 2022. All candidates are advised to submit the examination fees before the last date of registration. For more information regarding date sheet and admit card, check medicaldialogues.in. An expert panel of India's Central Drug Authority has recommended granting emergency use authorization to Bharat Biotech's Covaxin for children in the age 2 to 18 years age group with certain conditions. Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech, which completed the phase 2-3 trials of COVID vaccine for use in children aged between 2 and 18 years, had submitted the data to the CDSCO for its verification and subsequent approval for emergency use authorization for the jab in the beginning of this month. The SEC on COVID-19 examined the data and deliberated on the EUA application on Monday. The SEC recommendation stated, after detailed deliberation, the committee recommended grant of market authorization of the vaccine for the age group of 2 to 18 years for restricted use in emergency situations subject to the certain conditions. According to the conditions, the firm should continue the study as per the approved clinical trial protocol and provide updated PI, summary of product characteristics and fact sheet. Besides, the firm should submit safety data, including the data on AEFI and AESI with due analysis every 15 days for the first 2 months and monthly thereafter, and also as per requirement of New Drugs and Clinical Trial Rules 2019. For the first time in the world, scientists working in a public laboratory in Mumbai have come up with a rapid test to ascertain if a person has silicosis, a progressive lung disease caused by exposure to silica. Every day, 8 crore people are exposed to silica in India alone. The invention, called a point-of-care test, is similar to a pregnancy test kit and detects levels of serum CC16 in a drop of blood. Based on the concentration of the serum, we can diagnose the patient with severe mild disease or is likely to develop it in the near future. It is the result of a collaboration between the Mumbai team of the National Institute of Virology and the National Institute for Occupational Health. Dr. Shyam Sundar Nandi from the Mumbai laboratory, who is one of the scientists who developed the test, said, India has a high burden of silicosis with an estimate of 1.25 crore patients at the moment. The AIIMS Deoghar has released vacancies for the junior resident post on an ad hoc basis. AIIMS Deoghar is an Apex Healthcare Institute established by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India under the Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana. There are a total number of 28 vacancies. The last date of application is 14th October 2021. For more details about qualification, age and pay allowance, you can check the link below in description box. The Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu presented the 22nd Lal Bahadur Shastri National Award for Excellence to eminent pulmonologist and director of the AIIMS, Dr. Randeep Guleria at UPA Rashtrapati Niwas. Congratulating Dr. Randeep Guleria on being conferred the prestigious Lal Bahadur Shastri National Award, Shri Naidu said, Dr. Randeep Guleria's stellar role in creating awareness about the pandemic in recent times has not only reassuring for all of us, but has also soothed the frayed nerves of every person who has met, seen or heard him speak on multiple forums on various aspects related to COVID-19. We see him the Commander-in-Chief of India's dedicated army of frontline warriors who have been selfishly waging a tireless battle against COVID-19. That's all from the health world today. Thank you.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.